If you've been injured at work or in a public place and are thinking about making a personal injury claim, it can seem daunting. Thompsons Solicitors has nearly 100 years' experience of standing up for accident victims. That's all we've ever done. We don't act for insurance companies. We know where we stand. If you're thinking about making a personal injury claim, we're ready to stand up for you too. If you think you want to make a claim, the first step is to get in touch. You can start a personal injury claim in less than 20 minutes. Simply call or visit our website to be put in touch with a friendly and experienced member of our legal enquiry team. The types of things you'll be asked about include when the accident happened and where, what effect it has had on you. It's also handy to have things like your address and national insurance number to hand when making the call. If you do have a case and you want to pursue it, one of our expert lawyers will go through the details of your case and explain the process to you in plain English. If we think you have a claim that is likely to succeed, we will write to the other side, the defendant, and ask if they want to accept the blame. They have 3 months to respond, and if they don't, we issue court proceedings. We'll also arrange for you to meet with an independent medical expert who will prepare a report to use in evidence. We'll arrange a time and a place that is convenient for you. It won't cost you a penny either. If the defendant accepts at any time that they were responsible or liable for your injury, we will advise you on whether any offer they make is acceptable or if we think it is too low. If they deny liability or the offer that they make is too low, your lawyer will continue to fight your case, if necessary, to the court. Cases where liability is denied take longer, but our specialist personal injury lawyers will stand up for you all the way through, fighting hard and keeping you updated until we get you fair compensation.